If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hi guys, thanks for dropping in, and hello if it's your first time. I'm Rick, welcome to the channel. This is just like a 2-minute clip because it's my kind of video diary of what I'm doing to the bike. I've bought a couple of parts and I might be buying a third from a company called Perun Moto. I've got a side stand foot enlarger and also grab rail removal kit. I'll show you them. I thought they're really nice. The finish, I think they're milled, they're not laser cut, water cut, whatever they are. Got a really nice finish to them. From what my research is, they are a small independent company, and I'm pretty amazed. I ordered it on I think it was Thursday, and I got it next day at 10 o'clock in the morning, and I think it came from Belgrade. I can't be sure. I'm in the UK via DHL, and that kind of service is fantastic. But I'll show you them. I mean, there's others out there, but Perun Moto, Guillaume or Guillaume, sorry mate, I don't know if it's pronounced properly. A friend of mine that's become a friend of mine through subscribing on this channel in South Africa recommended Perun Moto to me, and I thought I'd give them a try, and I'm pretty impressed. Anyway, big shout out to Perun Moto, small independent company, and I might get the luggage carrier at some point, but given the quality of these, I'm quite chuffed. No regrets there. So just check them out if you fancy getting a side stand foot enlarger or grab rail removal kit. Now, not everyone's going to remove their grab rails. I just bought it because it wasn't too expensive, and I fancy checking out, seeing what it looks like. I don't carry pillions, and I hardly carry luggage, and if I do, and when I do, it'll take me 5 minutes to put the grab rails back on. So anyway, let's check it out. Right, that's the foot stand enlarger, side stand enlarger. As you can see, it's really nice. Does what it says on the tin. Looks quite rugged. Doesn't interfere with the side stand, center stand, and yeah, no complaints there. Very nice made bit of kit. Also, the grab rail removal kit just consists of these 4 spacers, basically. There's 2 on the other side as well. To give the bike a cleaner look, a bit more of a race bike look, if that's what you're into. Well, I thought I'd try it out, and I really do love the look, to be honest. Yeah,